Hi, Taryn and Enrico here.
Hi.
Are you worried about shopping online for shoes because you don't know what size to order and how they will fit?
Worry less. With our unique shopping process, Click and Fit.
That's right. Click on your favorite styles and choose the closest size you think you might need. You'll be able to make comments in the checkout section, but key to our process is that you will receive a confirmation with instructions on how to take pictures of your feet and upload them to our platform. Then an expert analyst will look at your photos to ensure that you have ordered the proper size.
If some of you may need extra customization, in that case, we will contact you.
Happy shopping! You're just a click and fit away from the fabulous pair of shoes that you deserve.
So, Click and Fit.